Breskur hagfræðiprófessor segir aðgerðir íslenskra stjórnvalda einkennast af óðagoti sem leitt geti til þess að eignir bankana verði seldar á allt of lágu verði. Hann gefur íslenskum eftirlitsstofnunum falleinkunn.
Robert Veit kennir hagfræði við hinn virta háskóla London School of Economics, en grein hans íslenska fjármálakerfið í Financial Times síðastliðið sumar vakti talsverða athygli. Þar varaði við að í óefni stefndi vegna mikillar skuldsetningar bankana og nú hefur það komið á daginn.
Iceland was extreme, even by other countries' standards, extremely imbalanced. And so I think that the Icelandic regulators did fail in a major way in beginning at least a year ago to rein in the banks, to get them to cut back their leverage, not take on such huge liabilities relative to the gross domestic product and relative to the tax base of Iceland. In allowing this development over the past year, I think the regulators were really seriously irresponsible.
Wade segir mikilvægt að halda rétt á spöðunum við núverandi aðstæður. Viðbrögð íslenskra stjórnvalda gefi hins vegar ekki mikið tilefni til bjartsýni.
From the outside, it looks like there is a real sense of panic with this divestiture of good quality assets at fire sale prices and also at the loan from Russia. From the outside, it looks to me like they should employ a team of forensic accountants. 10 people for 5 days could make an accurate assessment of the state of the liquidity, the assets, the liabilities of the banks, and then the government would be in a position to know what exactly it is that they need. Instead, they seem to be panicking before doing this assessment.